I've got puppies out. Little girl. There's the little girl. They're going to be 6 weeks old tomorrow. Cute little girl. And this is boy one. Look, boy one. It's hard to look and line up and see where the puppy is. Hi, boy one. Hi, baby. And there's boy two. Hi, boy two. And, oh, someone's behind me. That must be boy three. There he is. Hi, babies. They wanted to come out and play. I had to lock Sunny and Sherlock up. Okay, move away from me so we can get a good video of you babies. You're 6 weeks old tomorrow, little babies. Look how active you are. They're not little slugs anymore. Look at this cute little boy three. Hi, little boy three. There's Newsmax on TV. Because I no longer watch Fox. Yeah, I no longer watch Fox. Hey, little boy one. Hey, little boy three. Hey, little boy two. Look at your head. Yeah. Mommy. Oh, little baby girl. Where is your mommy? I put her out in a dog run so that she could run with Tony. The big 40-foot dog run. Get some exercise. No, I don't have any milk. Get away from there. Little girl, I'm not your mommy. What, you're climbing up my shirt? Okay. Who is this? Look, that's boy two. Hi, boy two. Guys, you gotta go away from me so I can take the video. Little boy one. Little boy two. Little girl. And behind me is, where is he? Oh, here, there's a ball. Here he is. I'm trying to find him. Look who's behind me. Boy three's behind me. Hi, cutie. Oh, and you're climbing up here on my shirt? Yeah. Are you climbing up here? They want to be held. They always want to be held. All these puppies want to be held. Well, except the girl's a little more independent. Girls are always independent. Hi, little baby. Look at that cute little girl. Hi, little cute girl. All right, pause. How do I pause?
My granddaughter asked me to dance with her. I danced 2 long dances with her, and I would never have been able to do that without her.
Get her life back from headaches and pains and swelling. Drug-free. With So call 1-800-361-5784 or go to try.
What do you want, little baby? You want to be held, little baby?
So call 1-800-361-5784.
Wow, you're turned on today, aren't you?
Newsmax is one of the hottest apps right now in the country with cable news network. We also have an app, and you can watch us on that. The app is currently top 5 trending
Well, that's good news.
since election day.
Newsmax is one of the top 5 apps.
Something we've seen.
Everybody's switching to Newsmax. I hate to say it, but F you, Fox.
That's when we do that, and one of the things you can check out is Bob Sellers and his bio.
Hey, little boy.
The Wall Street Update is presented by Interactive Broker. Gateway to the world of
Gosh, they're playful today. They're getting more playful as they get older. Oh my God, you're climbing up me again. Little puppies. Okay, this is boy one. He wants to be held. I know, boy two wants to be held too. And the little girl, where is she? Oh, she's back here. Little girl. She's climbing up me too. Oh my God. I got 2 puppies climbing up me. I can't hold the phone. I'm going to drop the phone. Ow, ow, ow. I'm being attacked by a pack of puppies. Ow. 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 No, you're going on the chair. No, you can't go up there. Ow. I'm sliding down. I'm sliding down. Help. Help. I'm on the floor. I'm being attacked. I'm on the floor being attacked by puppies. All right, I gotta get up. Hi, girl. Oh, and who is this? I can't even take a selfie. Who's this? This is boy 1. Hey, boy 1. And this is boy 2 on my right. Little boy 2, where are you? Here. Boy 2. Yeah. Okay, get over here by your brother. There's the twins. Oh, God, I gotta get up. How do I get up? I have to do a sit-up to get up. Oh, help me. Help me. Help me. I'm melting. There's the little girl over there. She's pretty independent. Come on, guy. Get off of me. Oh, here we go. Oh, jeez. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I escaped the 3 boys that were attacking me. Attack puppies. Attack puppies. Boy 1. Boy 2. And behind me again is boy 3. And here comes the girl now that there's some action going on. Okay, little girl. So, the person with number 1 and number 2 on the waiting list is taking the girl and boy 1. Here he is. Right there. There's boy 1. Where are you? No, not you. Here. He's fighting to get on me. Okay, I gotta get up because I'm just being attacked. I need my morning tea. I need to get up. If I get up, okay, I'm gonna protect myself. No more puppies on my lap. Now I can see them from a distance. Okay. I'm safe. I'm safe. Hi, puppies, I'm safe. He's climbing up in the bed, one of the beds. I got lots of dog beds. Hi, babies. Boy 1. Boy 3. Girl. Okay, where's the other boy? Where's boy 2? Where's boy 2? There he is. It's time for breakfast. So I'm going to make your breakfast and take you back in your bedroom where you have your dog run. Okay? This is a 9-minute video now. So it's time to say goodbye, puppies. It's time to say goodbye.